Alright, so I'm getting ready to leave, and because my Qualcomm is down, I gotta use Google Maps, so I know where I need to go. I just need to use this to help me get out. So I know that road right there, going out that way, is a truck route. So we're gonna go ahead and use that, and then I'll cancel that out here in a little bit. I also need to get this back to driving. Done. All right. Time to go. I ended up eating a sandwich here real quick. Although I might grab something else to eat here a little bit later on. So yeah, my Qualcomm went down when I got back into the truck to go back to work, which was Tuesday, I believe. And so I've not had any truck routing maps. I've not been able to do my calls. Hell, I haven't been able to fuel the truck like normal. I actually have to pay for the fuel out of my own pocket and then submit the receipts to Swift because my comm data card isn't working because the Qualcomm doesn't work. If Swift doesn't know where you're at or how much fuel you got and all that other stuff, they can't dispatch you on a fuel route. And I'd rather keep moving, keep driving, especially with all the work that I've lost, than get parked. Hopefully I don't get stuck here for too long. This looks like it's going to be as good as any other time right here. So, yeah, this last week, I've spent, it's like $1,000, $1,100. I fueled up last night. I don't remember how much I spent. I just kind of ran my credit card. I think it was in the neighborhood of 300 and 400. And I've already spent 700. So, yeah, that would put me up in the, you know, 1,000, 11, 1,200, somewhere in there. But Swift is going to pay me back. I've had to do this before, and Swift has always paid me back. So, not really too worried about that. And it's a lot quicker than trying to, you know, call and trying to get a comm data check, and just, I don't like doing that. It's a bit of a hassle. And then the other benefit is, you know, with me using my credit card, I don't have to pay for it out of, you know, out of my own pocket in cash right now, and then I get all the credit card points. So, you know, it's kind of, it works for me. It doesn't bother me. The only thing that sucks is when this goes down, it can be a little annoying at times because you got to do paper logs, which I'm using Keep Trucking right now to do my logs, and that's working out pretty well. A lot better than me trying to do the old style paper logs, which I can do. I just, I don't know. I think the electronic forms are just a lot easier. You're a lot less likely to make a mistake. Well, we got somebody who is driving a little slow here. I think they just got married. Something. I think they got married. Well, That's kind of cool. I forgot what I was even talking about. I was wondering if I would find myself in a funeral procession or something like that. Sometimes that happens by accident. Oh, looks like we have an accident right over here. And there goes the ambulance. It looks like it's across the whole dang road. I got emergency lights on the far left, and I got some on all the way on this right hand side. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera yet or not. Yeah, it's on both sides. Wow, I'm actually kind of happy I stopped and had lunch, because I definitely wouldn't want to be involved in any of that over there. Oh, and yeah, at the end of this video, I'm gonna put the pictures of the auto accident I was in. Kind of forgot what I talked about in my live video about that, but I gotta go see, or go get a test done on the 27th. So I'm gonna be out of work on that day. Hopefully everything comes back fine. And then I got another doctor's appointment that I'm supposed to be going to, but I don't remember what the date was. Sorry, I'm being a little quiet. I'm just trying to pay attention what's going on in front of me. And I'm checking my hood mirrors, making sure I don't have any lights coming up behind me. Yeah, I think we need to move left. Man, I'm trying to figure out how they have an accident that go across both sides of the road. You know, the speed limit in here is 55 miles an hour, but still. I'm trying to understand what went wrong. Okay, so we have a truck over here. And looks like we have a car way over there. Oh, shit. Wow. They hit pretty hard. Well, I hope everybody was all right. On that one car that was over here on my left-hand side, that passenger side got smashed in pretty darn bad. I'm glad I definitely was not going through that area, because I actually came down this road and I'm going up this road. Anyway. I got another video that I need to do. The series that I started on my financial freedom. While I was off work, I was able to really concentrate on that, and I was able to make some money doing that. And so this month looks like I'm gonna have a really good average. Today or tomorrow I got to sit down and look at my spreadsheets again, so I'll probably talk about it a little bit then. So yeah, sorry, there. That's a little flea market there. I was just trying to pay attention to make sure nobody was going to pull out. Man, it's 100 degrees outside. I'm all the way down here. If you don't know where I'm at, I'm down in South Texas, McAllen, Palmhurst area. So, I'm a little far south. I think I'm actually going to end the video here. I just don't have a lot on my mind right now. And I don't want the video to be boring. The live video feed that everybody did show up to, though, it was awesome. I had a lot of good questions. Next time I go live, you know, if you haven't seen me live, you should come over and come watch. It'd be fun. But thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. If there's anything particular you guys would like to see, just let me know down in the description. But very few people watch this far, so only my OGs, the guys that have been here for a minute, or the guys who really kind of like some of my footage, are going to be here for the end. Anyway, have a good one. See ya.